Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we've got our Gen 3 Raptor here in the shop, and we're gonna be installing our Mark II LED side vent accent lights here on the driver and passenger vent lights. They look fantastic, the installation's easy, and we're gonna show you how it's done right now. Our Mark II LED side vents for your Gen 3 Raptor include COB, or chip on board LED technology, and that's allowed us to pre-mold and form the lights to both the passenger and driver side vents. Plus, it allows you to have a rigid structure but maintain some flexibility for the installation. The harness is thermal braided to protect against abrasion and heat. Plus, we've got our easy T-tap connectors, which makes installation a breeze. And just to make things easier for you, we've included our adhesion surface promotion wipes. So the kit comes with everything that you need to make an easy and fantastic installation. The first thing we want to do is prep our mounting surface here on the inside of our side vent housing. So what we're going to do is use our adhesion promotion cleaning wipes, and we're going to clean inside this side vent. Once we've cleaned it very well, we'll let it dry for about 30 seconds. Now we're ready to install the light to the side vent. Now you'll notice when you unbox your side vent lighting that they're pre-molded, one for the driver side and one for the passenger side. So you'll want to make sure that you align the interior adhesive with the correct side. So this is our driver side, and then this light is molded for our passenger side. Once we've identified our driver side side vent light, we're going to go ahead and route our wiring here through the bottom opening of this vent, and then we'll just reach around the side here and we'll grab that end, and then we'll just go ahead and pull all of our wiring through. So we got any kinks out of it, just like so. Now we're ready to mount the light to the vent itself. So we're going to remove this protective red strip, and that's going to expose our gel adhesive. Now, this is extremely strong adhesive, so we want to be careful that our placement's correct. So I'm going to start here on the front side, and I'm going to go as far forward within this housing as it will allow me. I'm also going to mount the light as low in the channel as this will allow me. So just take your time. Go as far into the channel as it will allow, and then you'll be able to apply pressure on the light against this vent housing. And you'll notice that even though it's pre-molded, the strip has flexibility in it, and that's to allow you to match every contour of your vent's shape. And then once the light is firmly mounted, we'll be able to go inside the engine bay and connect for power. So we're going to take our side vent wiring here, which is our red and black wire from the driver's side, and we're going to connect it to the wires right here behind the grill. These are what powers your Raptor grill lights, this blue wire and this black wire here. And we're just going to use our easy T-tap connectors here to make the connection. So we'll take our single wire here from the driver's side vent light. We're going to run it into that opening channel there. Try to show it on camera. And make sure it goes in all the way. Then we'll take some pliers, apply some pressure down. You'll hear a faint click, and now it's connected. It's that easy. So now we'll go ahead and do the power wire, the red wire. Insert it all the way in, and push down, just like so. So now we're ready to connect these two wires to these. So we're going to take our red wire, put it right over our blue wire, just like that, and then pressure down, and that's all. And then we'll take our ground wire, this black wire here, to the black wire for our grill lights. Sorry, it's a little tight, trying to do it where you can see it on the camera, like that. Make sure, now you want to make sure before you tighten it down that your wire is not coming out of the channel. You want it to be coming in the channel on both sides, and then clip down, and that's all there is to it. Now we can repeat the same process for the passenger side and then clean up any extra wires and we'll be done. So that's all there is to installing the F150 LEDs Mark II LED side vent here on your 21 and up Ford F150 Raptor. It's an excellent kit. It really provides an awesome looking accent light. We guarantee you're gonna love it. You can check it out right now at f150leds.com, where you'll find all of our custom built LED lighting products built specifically for your Ford F150 Raptor. We truly appreciate your support. Be sure to hit subscribe to this YouTube and follow us on Instagram and Facebook at F150 LEDs. We truly appreciate your support. We look forward to seeing you at f150leds.com soon. Thanks, guys.